Now we are moving with the program number 8, PUC second year computer science subject, C++ and data structures. And that program number 8, lab manual programs. Write a C++ program to find the area of square, rectangle, triangle using function overloading. So area of square, you need to know the formula for this, right? So let us see area of square. Right. It's a function overloading. Function overloading. First, let us see what is function overloading. Function overloading in C++ means in a class, you can have more than one method with the same name, but with a different parameter signature. That means parameter signature means at the time of writing the definition for the member function, you should see to that the number of argument what you are passing in the function and the data types what you are using and the sequence of the data types what you are using, they must be different, right? By keeping this point in mind, so we are going to start writing this program. So what we do, we'll have class function overloading. Function overloading is the name of the class. And directly we go to the public, all right? So where in the public will calculate the square of area. I'll write int. The name of the function only, it's area, where you are sending the value of a, some value, right? A. And then return it as a into a, square. A into a. Fine. So now it is area of rectangle. I'll take it as int only, area only. This time I'll take int L, comma, int B. See, compared to the first method, this is having only one argument, but this is having two arguments, right? It is not that function loading, you should not have equal number of argument. You can have, but the data types what you use, in what sequence you are writing the data type, that is important. They should be different. And here we'll say return L into B, right? Similarly, for triangle, right, I'm going to write float area, return type whether it is same or different. That doesn't consider point for function overloading. So where I'm going to enter the value for three sides in S1, S2, S3, right? And its formula is, so the return type and the parameter, it is as per your programs, what they have given in your manual lab program. I have taken it as integer, but you can take float also. Right. Float. Here also what? They are considering real numbers, no issue. And here for integer also, here also what they're taking float, but it is having three parameters. So all these three versions of the area are different, right? And this is the formula for area of triangle. And after that, what do? You come to the main program. It is not only calling these functions, you have to display the menu, right? And then you have to decide like as per the user choice, you have to call the methods. So I'll say cout /n. So menu I'll say /n. One for area of square /n, 2 for area of rectangle /n, 3 for area of triangle, right? So now I'll say one more cout /n, enter your choice. We'll say, see, before that, choice variable should be declared. Say choice Now here, what we do, we'll check this choice variable, right? The required input variable are declared here only S1, S2, S3. Maximum we need 3 floating point variables, and one is int choice, and that I have declared it here. No issue, you can declare there also. And you know what that do is while 1 until it is true, it should repeat. Where in this, inside the loop, I'm calling this function. I'm writing this part inside the loop, and fourth option is /n 4 for exit. All right. Now here we'll write switch choice, and then case 1. If you enter a value 1, that means what? You have selected area of square. All right. So what do we do? Here cout, enter the value for enter the input values for square or for calculating area of square. See, yes, one. So it requires only one input. And one more object should be created. Function overloading, F I'll say. And now what we do, we'll call F dot. They're all return is there, right? So I'll say cout /n area of square equal to, we'll say F dot, F is the object of type function overloading class, and call the respective method. So for area of circle, I need to pass only the one argument. And then break. Similarly, case 2, copy and paste, so that process will be faster. Case 2 I'll do, and after that enter the input values for rectangle, for calculating area of rectangle. So it requires two values, S1 and S2. I'll take area of a rectangle equal to F dot area S1, S2. Case 3, here, copy and paste. This is 3. Enter the input values for triangle. And then S2, S3. And here it is triangle, where you need to pass all the 3 input values. Fine. And then case 4, cout /n exit. We'll say exit of 1. Fine. So that will come out from the program. If I'm using exit function, means I have to write hash include stdlib dot h. The latest header files does not have .h, right? And fourth value for exit, right? But user is what we can't say whether he'll enter 1, 2, 3, 4. If he enters something else, then default should be executed. Cout invalid choice. For default, break is not required because it is the last case. So automatically it will come out from the program. So now here it will come out from the switch, and then if they say exit, so what happens? It will come out from the program. If they are entering 1, 2, 3 and any other number, once again menu will display and they'll ask for the choice. Until you enter fourth, you will not come out from the program. Right. So for exit also I have not written break because exit means it will come out from the program only. Let us execute and see. Area of square, 1 enter. Enter the value, input values for square, only one value, right? 2. Area of square is 4. Again menu will be displayed. I'll say 2. I have to enter two values, 2.1 and 3.5 are the two input values for rectangle. Its value is 7.35, 3. So I need to enter three values, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Its value is 0.723079. And 4, I'll opt exit. It will come out from the program. If you are entering any number other than 1, 2, 3, 4, once again menu will display. Until and unless you enter 4, you can't come out from the program. Right. This is what program number 8. Yes. So even this program, it will be there in our blog, right? sridhanvantari.blogspot.com. So here I'll show you. See, this is our blog, sridhanvantari.blogspot.com. By name habit to code, it will be there. So in this only I'll upload all those programs, right, for your reference. And when you go to this one, so kindly click on this follow button. I have followed it, so it is unfollow now. So on your screen, it will show you follow. Click on follow so that programming related will be updating articles, right? So you can, these things will be helpful for you. Okay. Yes, thank you very much. We'll continue the next question in the next video.